Insane. Insane. Can you guys hear me? You guys see me, chat? Sound? No? Is the sound trash, Alan? What happened? No sound on my end? Wait, can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. It shows that there's sound. Chat. Chat, chat, chat. Chat, chat, chat. Hello. Gangsta. 1 second, chat. I'm curious if anyone in the chat can tell me why they think I possibly like UK 100 more than DAX. Someone tell me. Learning opportunity. Well. Yeah. Oh, can you hear me? Hello, hello. What's good, gang? What's good, gang? Smoother? No. Someone else give me an answer. Guys, why do you think I like UK 100 more than DAX? DAX is overbought. Not just that. Come on, guys. We'd be here all the time. Where are my people at? DAX already swept? Yeah, so... Actually, no, that's still not it. I kind of explained it, but no. So, like, if you guys look at UK 100, you guys can look at, we kind of consolidated, and price has now pushed down and led to some sort of low getting taken out on UK 100, which is liquidity being taken. What happened last night on JARE that I said is that we need liquidity to be taken for any type of position for me to get in, right? Let's now head over to UK 100. I mean, not UK 100, JARE 30 or 40. What do you guys see? Yes, we kind of like broke, retested, and continued, but this didn't lead to any structure being broken. If anything, this was just a pullback, right? Fib level, low to the high, rejection, golden zone, continue. So, in all honesty, I think UK 100 looks a little cleaner due to the liquidation to go long. Ugly candle right there. Oh, and the hourly is gross. Nonetheless, I think longs. So I kind of have this coming down. Someone else tell me why I look for this. Someone tell me. Thank you, Oscar. Why do I draw this up? For the sweep to see the reaction. Video for the bull run because of gravity. Because of gravity is crazy. No. So I be here really trying to like teach you guys. So reason I draw this up is that if price, let's get rid of this for a second. If price comes and sweeps and leads to this big bullish push, we could jump in buys, but there's two things that could happen. We could keep buying up and hit TPs or anything, or this could be a break to retest to then continue lower. So how can we counter this? Instead of trying to get in up here, we wait for price to come and show us that we're actually respecting these lows. And if we show that we're holding here, we get in, because if we swept and we pulled back and are holding this low, there's no really place to go but up. So that's where I'd be trying to take my positions or down in areas like this. Right? Does that make sense to everyone? Put a 41 in the chat if you guys get that. Exactly what I just said, you said in your way. Hell yeah. You know, I'd be on here trying to help y'all. Just follow structure. I'm a big structure guy. So I like London. So I get that question a lot is, oh, Luca, why do you like London more than New York? And the answer is that like my strategy is pretty technical based, and you definitely see I just have to see structure to be formed, where New York price just flies up and down. It doesn't really form any really like proper structure. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think, chat? Everyone in the chat right now, tell me, what do you guys like more, New York or London? I'm New York to get it out of the way for the day. What is get it out of the? You must not like trading if you're just trying to get it out of the way for the day. That's not a good answer. I'm doing both, still trying to figure out what I like better, need more data. Love that. Good answer. London because I'm up, I'm at work, I'm not tired and ready to unwind. But fuck yeah. That's what I'm saying too, is I don't really like, I'm less tired now than I am if I were to wake up like earlier. Yeah. New York to be patient as fuck in the lower time frames because liquidity sweeps. Flip side, London just goes sometimes at, yeah. Yeah, you'd be patient with New York because there's so much movement that you can really just answer, or I mean, you can enter at any time. All right, chat. Everyone in the chat put a 41 if you guys were here on stream last night. How's your day been? My day's been good. Pretty jam-packed. Did a lot. Y'all wouldn't even believe where I went today. I can't even say it, but y'all wouldn't even believe what I've done today. All right, so for those who put 41 in the chat and you guys were on stream last night, if we go left, this was no, next subject. This is the position from last night, guys. Once again, eating on Jar 30. For anyone who was here, look at this. Insane. 1 to 20 risk to reward. Absolutely freaking wild. All we had to do was just set and forget. 1 to 20 is fucking crazy. But that's the position from last night, guys. GJ, yeah, I guess I haven't really gone over GJ. Let's check it out. Yeah, I looked at it kind of earlier. To me, it was just really consolidating. If you what is your stop loss? Well, I'm not in it anymore. I'm just saying last night if you were on the stream, we called those Jer buys. If you just set and forget it, you would have been, it never even came back to entry. When we look at GJ, guys, the first thing I kind of see when I went out to the 15 is that price is making lower highs and lower lows continuing down, which makes you think like, oh, I definitely want to sell. And I definitely do, like, you know, low, pull back, continue back lower. But I feel like we've just swept so freaking deep down. So I understand we kind of just swept here. So what I kind of need to happen, I guess we can go to the 5, is similar, like we've, you know, high kind of stalled out. We're going to get a first break here. If we can break and show that we're truly bearish and then pull back, if we can pull back and respect like these highs and, you know, really use this as a resistance, then I'll try to look to sell to continue the move. But I'm not going to, because the, you know, the reason I'm not going to sell right away is I would hate to right now draw a trend line like this, be like, oh, when we break this low, you know, I'm gonna get in sells because this looks like a pretty good position. But what happens often is price will come down, get you in, and then fly up and take you out, right? So let's wait for some sort of liquidation or some sort of confirmation, and then we'll look for that entry. That makes sense to y'all? Make sure I'll hit that like button too. I appreciate it. Gold. Yeah, I remember checking out gold. Slingshot, Loki. If you guys think about it, when I talk about all these positions, it has to do with trend, pulling back, taking out some sort of lows, and leading to a distribution. So I saw this. This is on the 5. On the 15, you see it as well. It's just some sort of pullback to continue. Trend line break in this area right here. But clean, low, leading to a break. It would be good to maybe get some sort of pullback to go longer, you know, longer. That'd be pretty good. Can't lie. Let's go with the whole gang. Euro 2. UK 100 hella bullish. I know. I was waiting for that pullback, but it's just fine. Yo. Yo. What's good? What's good? You can finally hear me. Last stream of the week. You can finally hear me and interact, right? All the bullshit that I don't. I just heard you say yo. The other nights I didn't hear anything. Yo, what I heard perfect. Perfect. All the other nights couldn't hear. Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe I had my computer on mute or something, but I mean I checked last night. I don't know. But it was good. So, we know funding traders denied my funding, right? Who's blew their fucking rules? Who? Apart. Funding traders. Oh yeah, funding. Yeah. Because they allowed news trading. Yeah, and what rule did you break? Or that they said that you broke? To me, I didn't break the rule, even though on that account I did. Damn, guys, look at gold. Because I threw in that big ass trade before news hit, but I was already in profit, and I proved to them that I was already in profit. And because they shut down my other account in daily drawdown, because they shut down the US 30 trade that I was in profit with first, instead of shutting down the TJ trade I took. Yeah. I killed my daily drawdown on that account. It was during Christmas that I did buy one get. So I opened up a new account, found a new entry on US. So they said I failed because I made more than 50%. Well, pretty much it was one trade and the whole stage was done. But when I proved to them that it was a continuation trade because they closed out my other account wrongfully, we agreed to disagree because I went at them on Trustpilot and in their Discord with screenshots of their rules and my account. So they decided to refund my money and not do business. But I actually got funded on the top ESP at the beginning of the new year. Damn. Always a shitty situation when something like that happens with a prop firm. The haters. Yeah. They hating on a real one. Man, at least I got my money back, but I lost 3 weeks. You know what I mean? I saw you said that you were alright guys, this is GU. GU on these buys. I don't really trade GU, but for any of you guys who are looking at GU, I just like this. I like this entry. Reason being is we're already bullish. We're pulling back into discount on the fib. We've kind of formed a W and we're breaking highs. And then on the other fact is we go over to gold. Gold is absolutely flying. And if you guys think about it, gold is inverse correlated to the DXY. So if the DXY is going down, gold's flying up. If the DXY is flying up, gold's going down. So gold's flying up. So go over the DXY should be going down. Yeah, you see DXY is going down, which then knowing that information, you can come over to GU and understand, well, if the DXY is going down, that means that GU should actually go up. So I saw the sweep of lows right here. We formed a W and we formed kind of an entry to go long here. So I don't like the pip count on GU and stuff, but I'm here just marking up positions for you guys if you guys are interested in this. Pretty good. I like it a lot. I sent you some stuff inside the AJ for the mentorship. Look at my markup.
trying to make sense.
This is AJ. All right, well here. We're at. Oh, that's NU. Where's AJ?
Did I send it to the wrong one? Hold on. So here, mentorship homework, general chat. Okay. All right, I just reposted it in general chat.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So what I like about this is that, you know, with this in mind, exactly how you've kind of marked up, we pull up my chart and go to AJ. Same type of thing that I like that you kind of marked up is that we are in this downtrend, but when we made this lower low, we've now come up and broke that lower low to make a lower high. So with that in mind, this to me is kind of the new impulse from this low to this high. So you had those demands marked up correct. You got this one right here, which is perfect. Yeah, so like you see here, there's a break of structure up in here. So it's really just waiting for, you know, you can draw a fib from that low to this high and really just wait for price to give you some sort of pullback into discount and go long. I like that. I like that. I like that.
So my zone is good.
Yes. Hell yeah.
And I think I brought NZDUSD too.
Yeah, NZD USD. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. Clear sweep on NZD USD. I love that. So new impulse, breaking structure now. So similar thing. I would draw a fib from the low it made to the high it's about to create up here, and you're just waiting for price to pull back into discount. Huh?
The fibs, like, because I'm so not used to using fibs. Like I have an overlay, but like when I try to pull out the fib on my own, I always match it up.
Yeah, I would check out that. I have a video in the course, but also on my YouTube channel. But guys, that actually reminded me, I did drop a YouTube video today that I would love for you guys to go and comment on. It'd mean a lot. For everyone in the chat, maybe I'll do a little giveaway today for everyone who wants to go and leave a comment. Go to that video. I also recommend for you guys to go back and watch it later on. Because you do get some sauce on how I, you know, caught a good trade using news and capitalized on it and made some money. So everyone go show some love. Something like that. What y'all think on that? Damn, I would hate for it to go short though, because this would be the perfect opportunity to go short. I can't even lie. I wish we had some fundamentals or something that was going to show. But like overall, we're taking out those highs. Like We could go fib from the high to the low. We're rejecting out the golden zone. Crazy. Wait and see. Be kind of crazy, but we are taking out the Asia session highs right here. So kind of like. Hey, can you tell me if DAX is looking for a buy? Well, this is on UK 100, and this moves similar to DAX, and I'm thinking these sells are pretty valid, so I'll have to see. Just give me a second to analyze. Just got the 30-minute open. I'd say nothing looks like too insane. How do you know the session highs? Well, if you turn your brightness up, or maybe it's my brightness, you can see I have this indicator that shows the session highs and lows, which is great. At that. Really? What'd you trade? Oh yeah, that shit flew. My shit wasn't working. This one tastes way better. You like this one more? Eat it? Yeah, right here. Always go 4x4. How many of you we got here? There's 42 of you guys, but we also have only one comment on the new video. I told you motherfuckers, bro. So there's something wrong. So everyone take a second to go comment, or else I'm just gonna end the stream. It's so simple. Guys, like, come in here and call live bangers for free. Go comment on my shit. Show some love. Y'all should enjoy it. I mean, I make it for you. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen them. Maybe that shit parked outside. What's up? What up, Ivan? What's up, Louis? How you guys doing? What filter are the dotted lines on your trend lines? If you go and you draw a trend line and you click on it, you have this pop up, and you basically click on what, you know, right here. It'll show a line for you. You click on line, you change it to dash, or you could change it to dotted line. But I like the dashed line. It just looks pretty clean. You called the GU buy? Did it buy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. I mean, God, maybe I should go back to trading GU. I just hate the pip count. I hate the pip count. Probably would drop like a fucking 30 or 40 lot on this bitch. What a setup. Who heard me explain that? Who heard me break that down? Crazy. We go back. All right, let's go back tomorrow. Or now. Yes, no, maybe so. Coach, is motivation for me. I'm in pillar 31. Once I'm profitable, could I flat me you Sunday? I'm still learning basic, but I'm up this late. Ivan, of course, bro. Everyone's always welcome. If I'm ever in a city, any of you guys are, you guys can always hit me up. If I'm free or I'm out, I don't ever mind, you know. I've met up with people. There's plenty of people who I have met in person, you know, at a meet and greet or just because I was in their city. And it's always good to just connect. I'm just a person at the end of the day too, you know. I just figured out how to read candlesticks pretty freaking good. Ivan, where are you from? Where are you flying from? That's what it depends. No, I'm kidding. Imagine he's like, I'm flying from Iowa. I'm like, yeah, ain't gonna cut it, bucko. No. Houston, Texas? Hell yeah. I'm actually be coming to Houston, so if you want, bro, if I'm there, all you gotta do is DM me on Instagram. Is it bad to trade in New York on Fridays? I personally do not like trading New York on Fridays. Can anyone tell me in the chat? I've explained it multiple times to you guys. Can everyone in the chat tell me why I do not like trading Fridays and also sometimes Sundays? Someone tell me. Yeah. Yeah, FOREX. He said it, but if you guys can hear him, I want someone else's. Someone in the chat say it. Yeah, you guys are all kind of right. Traps are being set. Hell yeah, the candle needs to close out for the week. Yeah, so basically, guys, if you guys haven't traded with me before and don't know how you know what I'm kind of saying is that price will, let's say this is a candle, right? Let's say the candle forms, you know, candle wick, whatever. So if this candle closes, that means this next candle is going to open up where this price closed, which is this high. So let's say price opens up and is bearish for the week. Boom, 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 boom. This is creating a bottom wick. If this pushes up and turns bullish, that means that there's this whole bottom wick and this is a big bullish candle. So that's how the week starts. That's why I don't really trade Sundays is you can get caught in a bottom wick where you're trying to sell, then it flips bullish for the entire week. Same type of thing why I don't trade Fridays is Friday in New York is that let's say that this whole candle is bullish all week. Well, what can happen is, you know, I trade with the trend. So it could be bullish, bullish, bullish. I'm trying to take buys and it'll actually reject and come down, 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 down. And all it's doing is making a higher time frame top wick. And to back up my theory of this, all I have to do is go to the weekly time frame right now. And what do you guys notice? What do you guys notice on every single weekly Every single weekly candle, what do you guys see? I see a wick in both directions. There's not one candle you can point out here that doesn't have a wick, right? So coming down, what is this candle right here? This candle probably faked out so many motherfuckers. Look at this. You draw a trend line like this. We are consolidating, and this is the weekly. So for this whole last week, we were bearish. But if you go to a higher time frame, this is really just a pullback to liquidate these lows, to then fuel the liquidation with money, to then drive price up when buyers are in control. So with that in mind, what did I talk about candle formations? Is that if you see a wick, that means that whole time it was bearish. So same thing is, imagine this whole week. Look where price opened. Look at this whole wick. That means this whole wick price is bearish. You're trying to take sells, and guess what? It just goes bing, 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 and ends up closing bullish a little bit for this whole freaking thing. Whatever. Can't do it, but crazy, right? Any questions about that? Any questions about that, chat? That's why I don't trade either. I mean, I trade Sundays sometimes, but I really don't trade Friday mornings. Sundays I kind of okay, but Friday no. And like I said, all you have to do to back up the theory is go back and look at every single candle. You want to go hella bad, don't you? Lucky. All right, guys, on GJ, look at this consolidation. That's so freaking ugly. We do have open in 15. Gold took out that high. This is what I was kind of looking for, so it makes kind of sense. Look for that. Jer still flying. Looks like UK 100 might just fly with DAX. We'll have to see. But any questions, guys? Happy freaking Thursday. Hope you guys had an amazing week. I'm gonna get off in a second. This is actually my last night here, guys. I've been telling you guys, I've been staying in this Airbnb. It's been fire. I got a new one, so you guys will see next stream. I will have a new setup, which will be fun. So I actually got to pack and shit, and I'm gonna go get some food because I actually have not eaten dinner, but I'm still gonna be up trading. So hell yeah, if you guys want to come join the team also, guys, I always have to send the link because you guys also will DM me on Instagram and be like, oh, where's the link to join? Guys, it's right here. Boom, link to join. Right? Link to join. We go over to news, guys. How many comments we got now? Alright, guys, come on. Where are the comments at, chat? This is the link to my new YouTube video, guys, called I Trade News and Make My Chat Thousands. It really just a clickbaity title to then go in and show you guys how you can benefit from knowing the news release. Well, not knowing it, well, it's not like you know it before it comes out. It's more of like knowing how to react by the news that comes out. So it shows you like how to read it, how I was able to read it and come up with it, and you know, and then hit TP. You guys can see here it was a clear TP on stream and stuff. So it was pretty freaking beautiful, in my opinion. How to react by the news that comes out. Yeah, so like news will come out and you'll be able to read it and understand what that means, and then actually go and catch a trade based upon that, and you have basically an extra confluence, and it's better. I'm about to show you some love with the comment, coach. Hell yeah, guys. Comment, take a screenshot and post on your Instagram and tag me and put the link to it, guys. All that love goes a long way. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Y'all are the goats. If you guys want to come chop it up with the gang, come join the freaking gang. You know what I'm saying? But hope you all had a good week, and I'm gonna be going crazy next week, guys, at the new place. So new place on the way. Put some W's in the chat, gang. Put some W's in the chat. Yeah, coach, he really knows what to do. Hell yeah. I mean, I'd be here doing it. Where's the new place? I guess you're gonna have to wait and see. You guys are gonna have to come to stream on Monday to figure it out. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all the goats. Go click on my my profile. Make sure you guys are subscribed and watch that latest video. Leave a comment on it. You guys are the best. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao, gang.